And To Your Money this week, which is sponsored by the Stamm Law firm, the attorneys explain the different levels of care if you or a loved one has to move into a facility. Two on Your Side's Kelly Dudzik spoke with them about how that can impact estate planning.
From senior independent living communities to assisted living, enhanced assisted living, and skilled nursing, each level of care is different when it comes to how to pay for them and how you can protect your assets. Attorney Bradley Stamm explains assisted living.
There's a number of assisted living facilities in this community that offer a Medicaid payment option if you are paying private pay for a long enough time. In other words, you may have to sign a contract that says, hey, listen, we'll private pay for 2 years, but after that, instead of having to leave this facility to go across town, which can be very traumatic for older people, you can apply for Medicaid and have them pay for that assisted living. Enhanced assisted living, there is no Medicaid.
So then what do people do?
Right out of your
All
pocket.
out of pocket?
And it's more money per month than assisted, but there's no Medicaid option.
Then there's skilled nursing, which is what you'd typically think of as a nursing home.
$18,000 to $20,000 a month, private pay.
A lot of times families will start paying assisted living or enhanced assisted living, skilled nursing, and then they run out of money. And at that point, either the kids start paying it out of their pocket, or you move mom and dad to a nursing home, a full skilled nursing, and honestly, they may not even need that level of care. But there's no other way to afford it.
They say avoiding draining your assets all comes down to planning.
In order to apply for Medicaid, you have to be eligible, right? And eligibility is based on assets. It's based on your money. It's based on what limits you're at. You know, in New York State, a single individual is only allowed $33,000 of assets to be eligible.
For married couples, it's more. Bradley and his brother, attorney Brian Stamm, have crisis planning for Medicaid for people unexpectedly going into a nursing home.
At a minimum, we can save half of someone's assets for the family. And that's through our promissory note gift program, which gets very detailed and it's very involved, but people should know we can at least save half, even if you haven't had a chance to plan.
And that was